Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition plus subtraction minus. So I want you to tell me, if we have 5 and 5, are they equal or not equal? Very good. They are equal. What if I have 5 and 8? Can you tell me, are they equal or not equal? They are not equal. First, let's see addition of fractions. I want you to add two fractions together. So, can you see? We have 6 over 8 plus 3 over 8. First step, I want you to remember. First step, check the denominators. Okay? So you have to check the denominator first and see if they are equal or not equal. So, can you tell me, are they equal or not equal? Very good. They are equal. So, when the denominator are equal, if they have the same denominator, what you need to do is just you keep the denominator for your answer. You don't need to change them. And then you can add the numerator together. Now, can you tell me, how much is 6 plus 3? So, the answer is 9 over 8. Can you see? You just keep the denominator for your answer and keep the denominator for your answer. You add the numerator together so you can find the answer. Now let's see, what if they have different denominator? Okay, I want you to do step number 1. Do you remember what is step number 1? Check the denominators. So you need to check the denominator first. Now can you tell me, are they equal or not equal? So they are not equal, right? When they are not equal, what you need to do is step number 2, make the denominators equal by multiplying. Okay, remember, by multiplying. Now, we have 4 and 8. I want it to be the same number. Can you tell me, how do I get 8 from 4? By multiplying. So you need to multiply 4 by 2, right? So you can get 8. Can you see? From 2 over 4, we've got 4 over 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And for 3 over 8, you just leave them. Okay? Do not change anything. Now, can you tell me, when you look at the denominator, are they equal or not? So, they are equal. So, when they are equal, you just keep the denominator for your answer and you add the numerator together. Now, the answer would be 7 over 8. Okay, I want you to say it one more time. The answer is 7 over 8. What about subtraction of fractions? We just do the same as addition, okay? So we have 6 over 8 minus 3 over 8. First step, you check the denominator. Okay, we have 8 and 8, so they are equal, right? They are equal. When they are equal, it's easy. You can find the answer by just you keep the denominator for your answer and then you subtract the numerator. Okay, so 6 minus 3 equals 3, right? So the answer is 3 over 8. What if we have different denominator? As you can see, we have fraction of 2 over 4 minus 3 over 8. So, first step, check the denominator. 4 and 8, they are not equal. When they are not equal, you need to do step number 2. Make the denominator equal by multiplying. Okay, so I need to change 4 to 8 by multiplying. I multiply 4 by 2 and multiply 2 by the same number. And now, from 2 over 4, I get 4 over 8 minus 3 over 8. And that's it. You keep the denominator for your answer and subtract the numerator. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the answer is 1 over 8. Now I want you to open your book and turn to page number 64 and you will see exercise 8.2. We are going to do the exercise together. So can you see number 1? We have 1 over 3 plus 4 over 6. Now can you tell me, step number 1, check the denominator first, okay? And you see they are not equal, right? So the denominator are not equal. When they are not equal, you need to do step number 2, which is make them equal by multiplying. Okay, tell me, how do I get 6 from 3? By multiplying. I have to multiply 3 by 2, okay? So I can get 6. As you can see, if I multiply 3 by 2, I need to multiply 1 by the same number. Okay, so from 1 over 3, we get 2 over 6. Can you see? 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. So, for 4 over 6, you just leave it as it is. You don't need to change anything. Now, can you tell me the answer? I want you to check the denominator again and tell me, are they equal or not equal? So, the denominator are equal. Can you tell me if the denominator are equal, can we add fraction? Yes, we can. Just like I said, you keep 6 for your answer and you add the numerator together. Okay, 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have 6 over 6. Can you tell me 6 over 6 is proper fraction or improper fraction? Okay, 6 over 6 is improper fraction. Do you remember from the last time? When the numerator greater than or equal the denominator, we called improper fraction. So, if you have improper fraction, you cannot just leave it like that. You need to work it out. So, can you tell me, how much is 6 divided by 6? 1, right? 6 divided by 6 is 1. So this is what I want. 1 is the correct answer. So let's see number 2. We have 2 over 3 minus 4 over 9. Let's do it together. Number 2. Okay, check the denominator first and you can see they are not equal. So we need to make them equal by multiplying. We have 3 and 9. I need to change 3 to 9 by multiplying. So I multiply 3 by 3 to get 9. And if I multiply 3 by 3, I need to multiply 2 by the same number. Okay, so from 2 over 3, now we get 6 over 9 minus 4 over 9. Okay, so we have the same denominator. So when the denominator are equal, you can subtract fraction. You keep 9 for your answer and subtract the numerator. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2. Now let's see number 3. Step number 1, check the denominator first and you can see the denominator are not equal. So I have to make them equal by multiplying. Okay, I have 2 and 4. I need to change 2 to 4 by multiplying. Can you tell me, I need to multiply 2 by what number to get 4? Okay, I need to multiply 2 by 2. Okay, so I can get 4. And when I multiply 2 by 2, I need to do the same thing with the numerator. Okay, I have to multiply 1 by 2. So from 1 over 2, let's see, what do we get? We have 2 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Okay, can you tell me what is the answer? 4 over 4. Now, 4 over 4 is proper fraction or improper fraction? Okay, 4 over 4 is an improper fraction. So as I said, you cannot just leave it like that. You have to work it out. Okay, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Okay, this is the correct answer. And number 4, we have 2 over 5 and 4 over 15. Okay, so when you look at the denominator, you need to check the denominator and you can see they're not equal. So you need to make them equal by multiplying. Okay, I have to multiply 5 by 3 to get 15. And if I multiply 5 by 3, I need to multiply 2 by the same number. Can you see? So from 2 over 5, we get 6 over 15 minus 4 over 15. And now you can find the answer. So the answer is 2 over 15. Okay, let's take a look at number 5. Question number 5, we have 1 over 5 plus 3 over 10. Okay, they want you to add these two fractions together. So now let's do it. Step number 1, check the denominator first, and then you can see that they are not equal. We need to make them equal by multiplying. So we can add fraction. I need to change 5 to 10 by multiplying. I need to multiply 5 by 2. Okay, so I can get 10. If I multiply 5 by 2, I need to multiply 1 by the same number. And then we get 2 over 10 plus 3 over 10. Okay, now check the denominator again and you can see that they are equal. When they are equal, so you keep 10 for your answer and add the numerator together. So the answer is 5 over 10. Now let's see. Question number 6. We have 4 over 7 plus 3 over 14. Okay, step number 1, check the denominator first, and then you can see that they are not equal. Now we need to make them equal by multiplying. Okay, I need to multiply 7 by 2, right? So I can get 14. When I multiply 7 by 2, I need to multiply 4 by the same number. Okay, by the same number. From 4 over 7, we get 8 over 14 plus 3 over 14. Okay, so you can find the answer easily. We keep 14 for your answer and you add the numerator together. 8 plus 3 is 11. So the answer is 11 over 14. Now let's take a look at this activity. They want you to compare these fractions using greater than, less than, or equal symbols. Right? So let's take a look at number 1. Okay, to compare fraction, you need to finish addition and finish subtraction first. You need to find the answers and then you can compare fraction. So let's do it together. Okay, we have 1 over 7 plus 4 over 7. Okay, so we get 5 over 7. And what about 3 over 7? Subtract 4 over 14. Okay, can you see? Check the denominator. They are not equal, right? We have 7 and 14. You need to make them equal by multiplying, remember? By multiplying. So 3 over 7 minus 4 over 14. I have to change from 7 to 14 by multiplying. Can you tell me? I need to multiply 7 by what's number to get 14? By 2, right? So I need to multiply 7 by 2. And if I multiply 7 by 2, I do the same thing with the numerator. This is what we get. 6 over 14 minus 4 over 14. So now, can you see? Check the denominator again and you can see that they are equal. Then the answer is 2 over 14. Okay, so this is the answer. You need to compare these two fractions. Okay, we have 5 over 7. Compare with 2 over 14. Now, can you tell me, can we compare these two fractions? Yes, we can, or no, we cannot. Okay, the answer is we cannot compare because they have different denominator. Can you see? We have 7 and 14. They are different. We need to make them the same first so you can compare fraction. Okay, so we have 7 and 14. How can I get 14 from 7? By multiplying. Yeah, I need to multiply 7 by 2. Okay, and multiply 5 by the same number. So from 5 over 7, we get 10 over 14. Compare with 2 over 14. So now we have the same denominator. Can you tell me, can we compare fraction? Yes, we can because we have the same denominator. You just compare the numerator and that's it. 10 is greater than 2. Okay, so the answer is greater than. Okay, let's try again. Number 2. Do it together. Okay, we have 8 over 8. Subtract 4 over 8. It's very easy because they have the same denominator. 8 minus 4 is 4, right? We have 4 over 8. Compare with, can you see? Addition. You need to find the answer first. We have 2 over 4 plus 3 over 8. Okay, step number 1, check the denominator. And you can see that they are not equal. You just make them equal by multiplying. Okay, so we have 2 over 4 and 3 over 8. Okay, from 4 to 8, I need to multiply 4 by 2, right? So we do the same with the numerator. Okay, from 2 over 4. So we have 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8. Okay, so now you can find the answer. The answer is 7 over 8. And then you need to compare these two fractions. Okay, we have 4 over 8. Compare with 7 over 8. Now, can you tell me? 4 is 4 less than or greater than 7? Okay, less than. Very good. So this is the answer. Less than. And now let's take a look at number 3. So we have 1 over 2. plus 2 over 10, right? So we need to find the answer first. Okay. Can you see? Check the denominator. They are not equal, right? So I need to multiply 2 by what number to get 10? I need the same number. I need to make them the same. So I multiply 2 by 5, right, to get 10. And I multiply 1 by the same number. So we get 5 over 10 plus 2 over 10. The answer is 7 over 10. And let's see, we have 7 over 4 minus 3 over 16. Okay, step number 1. You need to check the denominator first so you can see they are not equal. Okay, we have 4 and 16. They are not the same. So you need to make them equal by multiplying, remember? From 7 over 4. I need to change 4 to 16 by multiplying. How do I get 16 from 4? I need to multiply 4 by 4, right? Okay, if I multiply 4 by 4, I need to multiply 7 by the same number. This is what we get. 28 over 16 minus 3 over 16. Okay, so the answer is 25 over 16. Now this is the answer. You need to compare these two fractions. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you need to compare these two fractions. Now, first step, check the denominator and tell me, are they equal or not? So you cannot compare these two fractions when the denominator are not equal. You need to make them equal by multiplying. So we've got 10 and 16. How do we make them the same number? By multiplying 10 and 16. Okay, so you cannot find any number to multiply 10 and then you can get 16. So the easiest way to do that, I'll tell you. You need to multiply denominator across fraction. Okay, multiply the denominator across fraction. Okay, so we have 10 and 16. You multiply 10 by 16 and you multiply 16 by 10 and then you can get the same denominator. 7 times 16 we get 112 and 10 times 16 we get 160. Okay, compare with 250 over 160. So now we have the same denominator. Can you see? The same denominator. So you can compare fraction. Now, as you can see, 112 less than 250. So the answer is less than. Number 4 is very easy, okay? So let's see, we have 8 over 15. Subtract 4 over 15. So the answer is 4 over 15. Okay, and what about addition? We have 5 and 15. It's not the same number, right? So if you look at the denominator, they are not equal. They are not equal. So you need to make them equal by multiplying. Okay, I need to multiply 5 by what number to get 15? By 3, right? I need to multiply 5 by 3 so I can get 15. And then 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So now we have the same denominator. So you can find the answer. The answer is 5 over 15. And now you can compare these two fractions. Okay, 4 over 15 compare with 5 over 15. So 4 is less than 5 and less than is the answer. And that's it. Easy, right? So I want you to remember how to find the answer. Step number 1, check the denominator first. If they are equal with easy, you can find the answer. But if they are not equal, you just do step number 2, which is make them equal. Okay, you need to make the denominator equal by multiplying. After that, you can find the answer when the denominator are the same. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you next time. Goodbye.